friends, welcome to ET channel. Today I want to show you how my mom gets fresh juice. So here she has orange and pomegranate and she just cuts them up, and she has this primitive machine, or maybe I should say it's a new age. She just puts on the orange or pomegranate on top and she just presses it down with her hand. It's a really easy way of getting fresh juice right out of some fresh summer produce. Is doing it one more round. You can see how the juice comes out. She's mixing in some pomegranate with oranges, and it's really easy to clean this machine as well. And she's in northern region of India. She's in Punjab. I'm not sure how people in New Delhi or Mumbai do it, but this is how they do it in Punjab. All right, so she's taking some more fruits, adding them in, oranges, and you can see how everything has been squeezed out of an orange. So if you don't like eating fruit and you just want to drink something fresh this summer, try some fresh juices. Here our drink is ready, as fresh as it can be. And once you've taken out as much juice as you want, it's really easy to clean this machine. She simply takes it out and just washes it. I found it really fascinating, and I thought I need to share it with my viewers. I hope you like this process of juicing back in India. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Share it with friends and family, and stay tuned to ET Indian because we will bring around many more exciting recipe videos.